I've been living with mental health issues, bipolar disorder for the last more than 20 years. And so I wanted to write something around that because I was very, very keen to do that. And that's how I wrote my book, Chemical Khichdi.
Your book, Chemical Khichdi, is related to self-help therapies and mental health anxiety. So could you share some effective ways for employees and employers to battle anxiety at workplaces?
And I'm glad you raised it. I think it's important for both employees and employers to understand that they have a role to play when it comes to anxiety in the workplace. Okay, it's not just the question that the employer is stressing out the employee with a lot of work and with a lot of deadlines and with a lot of burnout, and then telling the employee, okay, now you go and do a yoga class and you deal with it, right? That's not the right paradigm. That's not the right equation. I think when it comes to mental health in the workplace, there are many stakeholders, but for the sake of argument, I'll just concentrate on two, which is, let's say, the employee and the manager, right? So the employee, I think it's important for them to be aware of what they're going through. If they're going through anxiety, to be aware of it and to be able to advocate for themselves. And I think employers need to give psychological safety and accommodation, right? So the person obviously trusts me enough to say, I need some time off. Is it okay with you? And I'm saying, yes, it's fine. And that relationship has to be there of psychological safety, and the person has to be then willing to accommodate, because all these contingencies do arise from time to time. So yeah, I think that it's very, very important that awareness exists and people know how to have this conversation. And of course, there's a lot more to it, because I think there are more roles that we can play, but I think that's a separate conversation.